Join me today as we take a look at this very special home listed in Buckinghamshire, England. This magnificent home is listed at $95,230,000. This home was once one of the Bonaparte Imperial family homes. It was actually the home of Napoleon's brother. It also has been the home of the bank tycoon J.P. Morgan, as well as you might recognize it from some of the 007 movies. This home has 12 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms. It is 28,525 square feet with several outbuildings, sits on 43 acres. And this home the beginning of the build was in 1688. I hope you have enjoyed this absolutely incredibly magnificent home as much as I have. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe for more content. And as always, thank you for watching.